Good evening, Lee. Happy 18th birthday. As what I promised to Ate Mayan and Ate Nicey, and of course I know her, although, I never went to their reviews, and you guys are the closest ones ako sa family. They all threatened me. Dapat na, daw ko dire sa ko ni Balay. If kay wala ko sa ilaha. And I'm here now. Happy to be here with you. By the way, I'm holding
Hapit na
this
sa
gift.
banta di.
With this. So that gift represents how I've always known you. And I made sure na, magamit yun na mo kay like 2 months ago. She requested.
Another request.
Besides akong presence, dude, kay, I've not been there with for your Ate Nicey and your Ate Mian. But again, as I promised you, naano siya ko today. And I think it's really sweet, knowing mo, kinay mo request na ko balag akong presence lang. I don't have a manghod, but I always treated you as one. Kamong tulo ni Ate Mian, Nicey. Actually, anak. So that gift, by the way, will not only represent how kikay you are, how lovely you are. I also hope that this will also let you remember our love for each other. Na miskin we're not always there for each other physically. We're sometimes like far away, even like unreachable, So I hope that will help you remember our love for each other. And also, Kalisha, as you requested, mayus kini siya ni every day. So, sa imong life, sa imong mga lakaw, sa imong kikay lakaws, and through this gift, I'll always be with you emotionally. And as I mentioned previously, you may not have an ate, but you can always tap on me whenever you need one. Love you so much. Nothing much.